This program is to calculate the factorial of a given number by the user. First, we need to input the int number, semicolon, then console, write line, open and close parentheses, enter a number. Then, need natin siyang i-convert. Num equals convert to int 32, open and close parentheses, console, readline. Ang readline ay para ma-read yung string bago tayo mag-enter ng new line. Open and close parentheses. No factorial equals 1. And semicolon for int. We forgot about the open and close parentheses. Int I equals 1. Int is short for integer. Semicolon. I is less than or equal to number, then semicolon. Kailangan natin maglagay ng bracket, then factorial equals I, then semicolon, then bracket, close natin. Ayan, then enter ulit. Console, write line, open and close parentheses. Then maglalagay tayo dito ng factorial of number is factorial. Then semicolon. Natin maglagay dito ng try natin i-run. So may mga mali number. Ano yun dito? Try ulit. So may mali ulit. Try natin. Number. Tara na guys. Ayan, gumana siya, mag-run siya. Factorial of 9 is 46. Try natin ng ibang number. Okay, 28. Factorial of 28 is 407.